In this lesson, I will show you how do you create circle and arc. First, I will show you how do you create an arc. You can see I am already inside this sketch and I have to activate my circle first. You can see this is the circle icon, this is the circle tool. If I go to this drop down menu, you will see there are two different types of circle you can create. One is normal circle, another is perimeter circle. So first I will select normal circle. To make the circle, I have to define my center. So I will define my center. This is my center. Then I have to define my radius. So I will define my radius somewhere here. This is very easy to create the circle. If I go to this property tab, you will see there are two types of circle type, and the second type is perimeter circle. To make the perimeter circle, I will select this and you can see there are 3 points. You have to define 3 points. First point, second point and third point. This is very easy to create. But also, let's say you have 3 different line segment. By using this 3 line, you can also make the circle by using this perimeter circle. So I activated this. Now I will select this line, then this line, and finally this line. By using this 3 line, I can create the circle. These 2 different type of circle is creating really very easy. Now I will show you how do you create the arc. You can see this is the arc tool, and if I go to this drop down menu, you will see there are 3 different type of arc option: center point arc, tangent arc, 3-point arc. First I will select center point arc, and if I go to this property tab, you will see there are 3 different type of arc. First one is I have to specify my center, then second point, third point. So from here I will select my center, then I have to define my radius, which is our point number 2. Then I have to define how much arc I want. Let's say I want something like this. I am doing this again. My center, I have to define my center of the arc. Then I have to define my radius, which is point number 2. Then how much I want, I have to define that. The second type arc is called tangent arc, which I will discuss later. The third type arc is called 3-point arc. 3-point arc is most useful arc and most widely used arc. So I will select this. Now I have to define 3 points. You can see first point, second point and third point. That means I have to define starting point of the arc, then end point of the arc, then I have to define the radius, which is somewhere here. I am doing this again. First point, second point, third point. This is very easy. The next type is tangent arc. I will select this. If I try to make this, you will see this will give you warning, because if you want to make this type of arc, you need another sketch entity. So first I will create that sketch entity. Let's say I will create this line. I need help of this from this line to make that arc, because the name of this arc is tangent arc. I have to make a tangent with this line. So I will select this point and it will create the tangent relation between these 2 lines, between this line and the arc. And you can see I can create my arc from here. Now if I select this point and if I move to here, you will see this is tangent in this way. But if I move to this side, you will see this is tangent to this side. Where you are moving your cursor, that is important. If I move to this side or if I move to this side, you can see this is saying this is tangent, but this is not tangent. I mean, this is tangent with which is perpendicular relation with this line. Let me see if I make one center line here, and if I make the perpendicular relation, this line and this arc is tangent. There is one more way to make the arc. Let's say I will not use this tangent arc option. If I select this line, let's say I created my line and I can create multi-line from here, but I will not make another line. I will go back to the last point, and now you can see icon next to the cursor is changed. So if I move from here, you will see this line tool temporarily changed to the tangent arc tool. Now I can create the arc. Let's say I am creating arc somewhere here, and you can see this is properties manager is showing I am going back to the line tool again. Now if I want to make another arc again, if I want to activate this tangent arc, in that case I have to go back to the initial point. Then if I move from there, you will see This will activate my tangent arc. This is called Sketch Auto Transition.